we're killing NPCs right now, so yeah. Yes. Let's go, guys. I'm murderer again. Oh my god, what is this? A big. Oh my. Who is this? Is this Chihuahua? Is this the Chihuahua?
Who is Chihuahua?
Oh, look at that. Look at that face. Look at that. You want this, Chihuahua? Chihuahua? Oh, Chihuahua just... I don't know why. Oh, someone is getting bats. Not anymore.
Bro, best season is a limit Robux is bad.
Why did you have some this? The boing boing, boing boing, boing boing, the boing boing thing. Did you have Robux?
I just scared.
Hey, don't run for me. Because you're gonna run to me.
Bro.
You all getting killed with your kitchen gun. With this kitchen gun. Come here. Come here. Good job. Did you see that, guys? It's an NPC. I don't know what this guy's
Ding ding
doing.
ding 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 ding.
Dang 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 dang. What do you wanna kill? You wanna kill yourself? You wanna kill yourself? You wanna kill yourself? Hey, wanna kill yourself? I think she's not an NPC. But
Bro, I'm going to
NPCs,
live again.
bro. Come on. Faster! Come on! I knew it. Something's on the bathroom. Bathroom is the best hiding. See this bacon? See this bacon? And see this. Did you see this? Oh my god.
You don't dare attack bacon.
Okay.
Why?
Hola to the Peddy Pasber. Your corner, bud. And you're dead. Oh, hello, Jonathan. Hello, Jonathan.
Who is Jonathan?
I see Jonathan.
Your crush.
Bro, I didn't crush him. Jonathan, the walis guy. Hate it.
Hello?
Jonathan hate TikTok. So that's why she called Jonathan.
So
Jonathan.
you see Jonathan in real life.
Go run. Because she gonna poke you in your head.
Yeah, 100 million times. Lava!
Like when watch her video, we see Jonathan holding a broom, right?
What is this?
Walis, malamang.
We cry.
Something is hiding. Did you see that, guys? Did you see that? Bacon, hello. Bacon, you're dead, ha?
Sabi niya,
I'm not.
no.
I'm good. I'm kind of bacons, but this is only NPC. What happening to here? Oh, Spider-Man is here. Hello, Spider-Man. Pwede po pa-picture, screenshot lang. Pwede po pa-kill na lang. Nakill ko na si SpongeBob. I mean si Spider-Man. Ang dami na dito ah. Dami free money. Thank you all. Thank you.
Mabilis ako.
Uy, parang ano to ah, nasa ano? Parang nasa Squid Game.
Ano yun?
Ba't yung iba walang suot na damit? Pati to, wala oh. Pati to. Why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Oh, look at this.
So, mabilis na ako?
This guy is so good. Are you good, brother? Are you good, brother? Brother. Don't go in there. You're gonna be hot, brother. Don't go there, brother. You're gonna be cold.
Bro, I'm glitching. Tama. Bro, I'm using
Hello guys. I'm just an innocent person with a knife because I'm pretending to be a killer. Oh, it's not just a one. Give me free kill. Free kill.
Now I'm spin boost.
Wait.
I feel like once
See
spin boost.
any more people?
Bro.
See that, guys? Did you see that bacon just flipping? Look at this. Look at this.
Spider-Man.
Hello. Say goodbye, miss. Ha? Nya, nichini sanya arigato. Nya, nichini sanya arigato.
Ayo na, Jill.
Nya, ichini sanya arigato. Nya, ichini sanya arigato.
What if I glitch in the map and you shock?
I'm just gonna say that I'm so proud of you. I'm just joking. Yeah. Okay. And how you guys see, it's now new. It's not. Oh, did I see Pepsi? Can I have a Pepsi, please?
I need
Please.
1K.
I need some Pepsi. Pepsi. Wow, it's a wrap. It's a wrap. It's a wrap.
Oh my god, I need to.
Someday, guys, I will teach you a Filipino or Tagalog, like that, in 150 likes. I'm just joking, subscribers. Sorry, it's wrong. Why did I do that? I'm so dumb.